Good morning, besties. Good morning. Hello, Sanbonani. As you can see, guys, I'm finished to wash my fridge. I'm here, guys, to greet you. I didn't greet you. I just started to do my fridge. Okay, guys, I'm Asavela. For those who don't know me, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press the notification button. If you're a return subscriber, hello, bestie. Hello, welcome back to my channel. As I'm finished to wash my fridge, I still have another duties to do. But I want to take the bath first. I need to take bath first. Yes. I need to clean my sitting room. And there's still the blanket on top of my couch. The blanket I washed it yesterday. So I need to fold them, clean up my sitting room. But I want to wash first. And I'm thinking of going out to buy some veggies. I don't know if I'm going to start with cleaning my sitting room or going out to buy the veggies. But I'm going to tell you guys when I'm finished to take a bath, which is which first. As for now, let me go take my bath. I will think about which is which when I'm busy taking my bath, and then I'm going to tell you guys which. Then as for now, let me go take my bath. Bye for now.
Please guys, forgive me about my quality. I recognize now that whenever I film my videos while I'm watching my TV, it's affect my quality. I hope I'm forgiven. And also guys, I did mop my floor off camera because I was already tired on that time. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.
Hello guys, hello, I'm back from the shop. I'm going to show you what did I get from ShopRite. I get this milk, and guys, the load shedding is going to be in 30 minutes now, so I'm not going to cook. I'm going to eat the takeaway. It's fish and chips, snook fish and chips, avocado, carrots, beef burgers. I love this so much, guys. Oh, I love this so much. And some is the quick cook some for 1 hour. And then green peppers for the green pepper. This is my water, guys. It's sparkling water. I love sparkling water, guys. And I get the oats. And my favorite cake from ShopRite. I love this cake so much. I love this cake. The chocolate the flavor is chocolate. I love it so much. This one, I even already cut it. If you can see this side, I don't know if you can see, but I already cut it. I already eat it because I couldn't wait, guys. So this is what I got from shop, guys. I got those. And what next is I forgot. Oh, I didn't get the spinach, grapes, and I'm going to look here in the local stand. There's some guy who's selling the fresh veg and fruit next to my house. I'm going to check there if I'm not going to get those stuff I forgot to buy there because it was full, guys, and I go without it, guys, and I was hungry. So started feeling dizzy. Then I decided to just purchase those little ones and then go buy some pie and eat. Then after finish eating my pie, go, I just take a taxi and come back home. Okay guys, I think it's the end of our video. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you are going to enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. See you next vlog.